Prestige 4 autograph box break. Tomorrow night I'm also doing an optic box break. It's a mega box break. And there's still a lot of teams that haven't been purchased or bid on at all yet. So get out there and check on it. And
good luck.
Good luck to everyone. And go Eagles.
You know, in all my life, I've never made an offer when I was afraid of the answer.
Here we go.
So now.
You've been so patient.
I feel like
You need to be looking this way so you can see the colors.
Your arm's in the way.
Wow.
Well, just, I'm telling you, it's better the other way, but...
You're gonna see the back of the cards. Stop.
Okay, so I'm right here. It's the best spot.
Alright, we have 4 packs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's an empty box. Make sure you're getting a good picture.
I am.
You need to be seeing it very good.
Your arm's fine. I'm above it now.
You need to look through the video camera. Alright, here we go. First pack.
so good.
And we have Lorenzo Taliaferro, Stephon Diggs, Zach Ertz. Let's see. Make sure you guys are getting a good picture here. Alright. Cody Kessler, Adrian Peterson, Jermaine Kearse, Vance McDonald, Jared Goff, Tevin Coleman, DeAndre Hopkins, Jermaine Gresham, Jordy Nelson, Landon Collins, and a nice numbered Tyreek Hill. Very nice hit for Kansas City. 88 out of 150. You can see that.
Yeah.
There we go. Very nice hit. A Dwayne Smoot rookie for Jacksonville. Nathan Peterman rookie for the Buffalo Bills. An O.J. Howard rookie for Tampa Bay. Ooh, and a nice Alvin Kamara rookie for the New Orleans Saints. Josh Malone rookie. A Gerard Davis rookie. A John Ross rookie. A Joshua Dobbs rookie. A Caleb Brantley rookie, a Stacy Collie rookie, and a Elijah Hood rookie for the Oakland Raiders. And there's no number on that card. We have a...
That's cool. It looks like a driver's license.
Prestige Passports O.J. Howard. Wait a minute.
Oh my God. All I can see is us.
Watch that. Put that on there. Keep that on here because it might be still up. It looks like we're having technical difficulties. You keep that on the cards.
I am. Relax.
Just
I've got
you. Your only option is to do what I asked you to do.
I just figured that I could see it better than you can. But of course I still don't know what to do.
Alright,
Are we live?
it looks like we're still on there and live.
Hopefully yeah. Every once in a
Yeah,
while,
it's just gonna go blank, I guess, on me.
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's still live. It looked like it went completely out on you guys. I just wanted to make sure it didn't. So, we're still live. And Dalvin Cook, rookie for the Minnesota Vikings. Very nice. Blue Chips prospect. Hey, Jerry Rice. Banner
Nice.
Seasons. Nice.
Yeah, there you go. Ooh.
A Prestige. Jared Goff. Hardwares. A Connections, Jameis Winston and Mike Evans for Tampa Bay Buccaneers. A Derrick Henry, Alma Mater. And of course, a Tom Brady. I think I pull a Tom Brady out of every pack I ever get. Yippee for me. Brandon Marshall. And Amir Abdullah. Khalil Mack. Blake Bortles. We're down to just the regulars here, so scooting through them. Matthew Stafford. Joe Flacco. Brian Quick. Devontae Freeman. And Mark Ingram. Alright. Next pack, guys. Good luck. Wouldn't it be nice to get one of those Alvin Kamara autographs or Deshaun Watson or let's see who else we got for the 2017. Dalvin Cook. Man, there's a lot of them out there. Jacksonville running back Leonard Fournette, that'd be a great one. Travis Kelce, base. Josh McCown, base. Kenny Britt, Darren Sproles, base. Derek Carr, T.Y. Hilton, Devontae Booker, C.J. Fiedorowicz, a Giovanni Bernard. Wow, that is numbered 16 out of 50. Very nice numbered card. And another numbered card, a Greg Ward for the Philadelphia Eagles. 110 out of 150. And a Darius Stewart, rookie for the Jets. A Malik Hooker, rookie for the Colts. A Marquez White, rookie for the Cowboys. A Desmond King, rookie for the Chargers. A Gerard Evans, rookie for the Eagles. A Carl Lawson, rookie for the Bengals. And Raekwon McMillan, rookie for the Dolphins. And a Dory Jackson, rookie. Very nice. A Jonathan Allen, rookie for the Redskins. Ooh, a Cooper Kupp, rookie for the Rams. Uh-oh. Wow. Very, very nice. Nathan Peterman, rookie autograph for the Buffalo Bills.
Number.
And I don't see a number on that. Very nice autograph.
Nice signature.
Very nice on-card autograph. Can't beat those on-card autographs. That's one of the best ones yet here. D.D. Westbrook, rookie. Very nice for Jacksonville. Jacksonville box here. We got Jalen Ramsey for Jacksonville. And we have a Mike Williams passport for the Chargers. And for them Green Bay Packers fans out there. And Aaron Rodgers, stars of the NFL. Some of these insert cards are probably, this one's probably worth $5, $6, $8, you know. The hardware, got a Carson Wentz, another very nice one. Joe Flacco, Brashard Perryman's connections, and I think we're down to the base again. Cole Beasley, Ben Roethlisberger, C.J. Anderson, LeGarrette Blount, Carson Palmer, and we got that upside down here. A Todd Gurley. It's still recording. A Tyler Lockett. A John Brown. A Zach Miller. Latavius Murray. A Kyle Rudolph. And a Cameron Brate. He's not moving the camera, please. Two more packs. I'd like to see if I can pull these base up here first. Try to get some of those out of the way. Get them all out of the way right off the bat. Alright. A Derrick Henry. A Virgil Green. Tom Savage base. Running through this base kind of quick. Andy Dalton. Lamar Miller. Matt Forte. Colby Fleener. Will Ty. Eric Decker. Your camera's not up. Well, if you want me to move it up, move the camera up.
You're going sideways.
Dennis Pita. Robert Kelly. Chris Conley. A Kid Reporter. Charles Clay. Theo Riddick. Michael Crabtree. Adam Thielen. Boy, he had a heck of a game for the Vikings. Thomas Rawls. David Johnson. Eddie Lacy. Vaughn Miller. Drew Brees. Paul Perkins. And we have a numbered 26 out of 100. And we got a Brian Hill rookie for Atlanta. And a Cordrea Tankersley rookie for the Dolphins. A Chad Hansen rookie for the Jets. A Jabril Peppers, nice rookie for the Cleveland. A Travis Rudolph rookie for the Giants. A Derek Barnett rookie for the Eagles. He's been a stud in the NFL this year, boy. Reuben Foster for 49ers. A Chris Godwin rookie for Tampa Bay. Oh, very nice. A Deshaun Watson rookie. Boy, I bet you guys were wishing that was an autograph. And a Mitchell Trubisky rookie. Very, very nice. For the Chicago Bears. And our autograph is a defensive guide for